In 2025, the most valuable investment you can make is in your mindset. If you're serious about improving your habits, your finances, and your focus, these 3 books will guide you not just with theory, but with tools that actually work. Let's break them down. Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book is about building powerful habits by focusing on small daily actions. It teaches how to rewire your behavior through identity change and consistent routines. Perfect for anyone who wants lasting self-improvement, not temporary motivation. For example, if you want to start reading daily, don't aim for 30 minutes right away. Instead, start by reading just 1 page after you pour your morning coffee. Over time, that 1 page becomes a powerful habit you no longer have to think about. The Psychology of Money by Housel. This book reveals how your mindset affects your financial success more than math ever will. It shows how real wealth is about patience, calm decision-making, and understanding human behavior. Ideal for those who want financial freedom without following hype or shortcuts. The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Manson. This book challenges the idea that positivity alone brings happiness. It teaches how to choose what truly matters and let go of what doesn't. Powerful for anyone ready to live with clarity, purpose, and emotional strength. These 3 books offer more than just knowledge. They give you frameworks to change your habits, money, mindset, and life philosophy. If you want to grow in 2025, start here. And if you've already read one of them, let me know how it changed you. And follow the 20 facts for more amazing content like that.